Excuse me? What? I got the shotgun. Got the briefcase. It's on the game though, right?
Yeah. Yo. It's what we here for. This cold life wasn't 5-star. They never hearing if the pie garb. You better serve it right or you looking at a crime charge. The lurkers kinda pissed that you setting up shop. Might be mad they was never holding down the whole block. Never eating off of pain pills. Your pockets at a standstill. Fucking off the credit with the holes in your socks. Think they handing out LA deals and letting niggas run fields when niggas never had it. Should've handled the rock. Now I'm dressed to impress. Heard my name up next. Knowing mass wasn't my peak. The whole world in my deck. Now I'm ducking all the cheapskates and shitting in the relay. Survival of the fittest was the motto they rep. Before you howl at the shotgun, you better burn the briefcase. It been the game, they tryna cheat us out the feet race. You wash niggas got your knees scraped. The whole hood been on smash cause I'm at it again. I never felt the pressure when I gotta cut off a friend. But once I kept around long, energy been strong. If you fading in the feelings I had, got pissed on. Yeah, your boy really sliding on tracks. Real erosion, mopping up the leeches at that. Swiss custodian, left them in the dust on tracks. Pop the fanny, spark the gas, then I'm checking if the selks came back. People wonder why I'm silent when I get around. I tell them I don't frown, it's just my mental on 100 thou. I probably crack a smile when I conquer the turf. Down the line, no more spitting, use the wisdom in my speech for the verse. Make my mama proud for real, teapot, yeah we got one. Hottest one for real, and I did it without them. They on the road for gold all over they neck, while I'm on the road for acres for the ones in the jacks. Before you howl at the shotgun, you better burn the briefcase. You better burn it, I said, before you howl at the shotgun, you better burn the briefcase. Yeah, before you howl at the shotgun, you better burn the briefcase. It been the game, they tryna cheat us out the feet race. You wash niggas got your knees straight. Yeah.
My second effort, I was able to span and keep going, and on the one touchdown, I was as an option play. I was hit twice, and I was able to score. And you know that always feels good when you can shake a tackle and then another tackle.